Hi, so I'm going to show you a couple of questions I could ask you when you have a quadratic sequence, right? So on a previous video, just check our previous video on how we get this answer here. So you're going to use that to answer the following couple of questions on quadratic sequence that I could ask you. This is probably one of the questions on the previous video, and probably this second video, you're going to just do the second question. I'm going to have that video as well, and then it'll be like maybe part 4 as well. We'll see. Okay, so yeah, let's go into it. So probably they'll ask you a question like this. They might say something like this: calculate the first difference between 35 and 36 term of the quadratic sequence. Okay, so this is like a broad question, right? It's a lot of things they're asking here. Not a lot, but a couple of things. Okay, so firstly, let's understand the question. They say calculate the first difference. The first difference. So what is the first difference? This is our first difference. The previous, so this is basically the whole section here. This is our first difference. Okay, so the previous minus, so the basically T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2, and so on, right? That's the first difference. So they'll basically want you to find a difference between the 35 and the 36 term of the sequence. So they want us to find the difference between 36 minus 35. Okay, so meaning that you need to find what is T36, what is T35. Okay, so that's what they're looking for. So but we know that Tn is equal to minus n squared plus 4n minus 6, right? So what is T36? T36, what you're going to do is where there's n, you're going to put 36. Simple as that. So where there's n, you're going to put 36. So you're going to have T36 is going to be T36 is equal to 36 squared 36 minus 6. So T36 is, so you can just simply punch this in your calculator. So you can say negative 36 squared plus 4 times 36 minus 6. So you're going to have negative 1158, right? Don't be scared when you see a bigger number. That's fine. And then now let's calculate T35. So T35 will be where is n, you put 35 again. So it's going to be negative 35 squared plus 4, 35 minus 6. So T35 can just simply punch this in your calculator, and the answer that you're going to get is negative 1091. Okay, so you have now T36, T35. Now let's find the first difference of this. So the first difference of this will be T36 minus T35 is 36 is negative 11. Negative 11, so it's 1158. That's basically 1158 minus negative 1091. So that's gonna be negative 1158 minus negative 1091. It's gonna be negative 67. So that's your answer. That's your answer. So in this video, we've learned how to calculate Tn. So Tn can be T36, T37, T1, T2, whatever, given the sequence. Okay, and then after that, you just find the first difference. So reminding us that the first difference on the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is t36 minus t35. All right, which is like the first value, so the second value minus the first value. That's basically what it means.